Welcome back, and welcome to Section 6, Security in Google Cloud. In this first video, I want to give you an introduction to Google Cloud Security Scanner, which is a neat little product that Google Cloud offers. And this automatically scans your apps and infrastructure for common security vulnerabilities. It started as a product for the App Engine and now is expanding to the Compute Engine. And at the time of this recording, it's only working with those two products. However, it is in heavy development, and I expect it to be working with all the infrastructure products soon. What it currently scans for is cross-site scripting, flash injection, outdated and insecure libraries, and some other things as well. And this is an automatic thing that you can schedule, or you can do it manually. And here's an example of a result report. This is taken from Google's website, and this is showing that the cross-site scripting was successful. What happened was that the Google Security Scanner inserted a test string into user editable fields. This is where you insert a PHP or SQL script into a field in a web form, like the name field or something like that. And the security scanner detected that it's possible for a malicious attacker to insert malicious scripts into your website. Now, of course, there are ways to secure your website to prevent cross-site scripting, but the first thing that is important to do is to actually know that cross-site scripting is a thing that you have overlooked. And Google Cloud Security Scanner is really great for that.